And well, a full-blown war that has erupted between the Congress party and the Election Commission hours after the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, alleged that the poll panel allowed cheating in Karnataka during the Lok Sabha polls. His party leaders are echoing the same sentiment. Karnataka Chief Minister and DKS have both backed the Congress MP. Karnataka Chief Minister has alleged that the Congress party's setback in the recent Lok Sabha polls in Karnataka was the result of illegal manipulation of electoral process by the BJP. Siddaramaiah also accused BJP of misusing the Election Commission. Meanwhile, his deputy, D.K. Shivakumar, claimed that he has conducted a thorough probe into Bangalore rural LS constituency and found proof of significant irregularities. The Election Commission hit back at Rahul Gandhi's claims, calling them baseless. The poll panel also alleged that Rahul threatened a constitutional body. EC emphasized that Rahul Gandhi and his party are free to appeal against any changes if needed.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi yesterday made a media statement that there is data, including in Karnataka, where some election fraud has happened in terms of voter list and others. As a Pradesh President and DCM, how do you see this?
I fully endorse his views. It is our KPCC research team. From the day one, we were just working out on this because we were very shocked to hear and know about the result and what has happened. And I endorse it, and we have more than 60,000 votes in one constituency itself, which we have full documentation connected to it. And he has also made a very thorough study on that issue. He has come out and we stand by this statement.
चुनाव आयोग इतना अगर मैं तो अपने को रिस्पॉन्सिबल समझती है, ट्रांसपेरेंट वे में कार्य कर रही है, तो महाराष्ट्र के बारे में मौन क्यों हो गई? हमने तो लगातार मांगा, मौन ही नहीं हो गई, इतनी डरी हुई कि उसने अमेंडमेंट भी ले आया कि हमको जो वीडियो फुटेज नहीं देंगे, वो नहीं देंगे, उसका निजता का हनन होगा, ऐसे बहुत सारे आरोप लगाए। और आज बिहार में आप देख रहे थे SIR में, और उनके खुद जदयू के सांसद भी आरोप लगा रहे हैं, सदन में आरोप लगा रहे हैं। तो ये आज भी उनके जो क्रेडिबिलिटी है चुनाव आयोग की, ये तो इस प्रकार कार्य कर रही है ना कि सैया भय कोतवाल तो डर का है का।
His own very government, Siddaramaiah government was there when Lok Sabha elections were held and roles were revised. It is his own officers, his own deputy commissioners, his own assistant commissioners. They were in helm of affairs. Do you mean to say that Siddaramaiah government officers will help BJP? What nonsense is going on? And it is only politicizing this thing and to destroy all the credible institutions which have really made India as a successful largest democracy. They want to destroy the institution. It's really unfortunate that a leader of opposition is stooping so low level.